I wake up at 7 a.m. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I turn on the tap. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I turn off the tap. I take the towel. I comb my hair. I open the window. I open the freezer. I eat breakfast. I wash the dishes. I wipe the mirror. I dust the furniture. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I clean the sink. I clean the stove. I turn on the stove. I wash my hands. I feed the dog. I turn off the lights. I feel tired. I read a book. I turn the page. I lock the door. I check my phone. I sit on the sofa. I go to bed.